Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru. Contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. What a pleasant rally given the huge volatility for the last few trading sessions. First, let us look at some important observations. Number one, the Nifty future premium. It's about 180, 190 points premium. So far, the Nifty future premium used to be maximum around 150 points. Now it is 180, 190. So that means the people are too bullish or, the bears are trapped. Whichever way, so it's a positive thing. So that is one thing. Second thing, though VIX was slightly higher, but at the end of the day, I think it was almost flat. And the third thing is that last week, when the news came that, both Indian Prime Minister and US President, they posted in their social media about talking to each other. The GIF Nifty was indicating Nifty opening at all-time high, but it did not open at all-time high. And that day opened, the high was 26,103. Today, Nifty went very close to that. And I think today the Nifty high was 26,098, 97.85. So that is almost like just only 4 or 5 points away from the swing high. And then in the last half an hour, there was some minor profit booking. So market is clearly looking bullish. As I told you, in the first trading session, the market rallies significantly. And there is a possibility that for the entire month, the markets may be bullish, but it may come down in between, but it might close positive at the end of the month. And of course, there are lots of ifs and buts are there. And like yesterday, the FIIs have bought for more than 10,000 crore. So that has become the talk of the town. But, on expiry day, what FIIs do, we have to just ignore. That's why I didn't talk about that in the pre-market today. Because there are a lot of reversal trades that may happen on expiry day. So like expiry day data, we cannot take into account. But one unusual fact yesterday was that usually on an expiry day, there will be large selling by FII. That's because along the way, if they're holding the shares, they do not want to sell. They sell in the future market where the premium will be more. And then on the expiry day, they will do the reversal trade, which means that they will sell in the cash market, they will buy in the future market. But this time, it is just opposite. So in that sense, okay, so this is something good. And today morning, I said, FA long short position has also come down. Now the short position is only around 80% compared to 94% last month. Now, coming to a very important observation, in 2023, the markets consolidated for 6 months, and after 6 months, market broke out. In the month of November, Nifty shot up 1,500 points, and people thought, the Nifty shot up 1,500 points. That was almost, 7% rally, because that time the Nifty was trading around 19,000. So 19,000 to 20,500, a 1,500 point rally is almost 7%. So the people thought, in 1 month, the Nifty shot up 7%. How much more it can go? To their surprise, in the December, the following month, Nifty rallied another 7%. So November shot up 1,500 point. December also shot up 1,500 point. Okay, why? Number one, the 5 state elections, BJP won. So that gave a clue that, it's going to be a stable government in 2024 parliament election. And second thing, in US, the Fed chairman indicated that the going forward the interest rates will be reduced in US. So one big local news, one big global news, market shot up. Right now, if you see the GST reduction in the month of September is a very big local news. Plus, Bihar state election, the result is still not out. And if the result is out, if it goes in favor of BJP, then that is also similar to 5 state election results. Why the 5 state election results were important? Because that, based on that, people thought that 2024 parliament election fortunes will be there. But right now also the same thing, because the central government is, run by the support from the Bihar Nitish Kumar. So if something happens there, that can get into trouble. So if Bihar state elections go smoothly in BJP's favor, then, the people will assume that there will be stability for the BJP government for the next few years. That is the local news. So at that time, local news was only one good news, but now there are two. One is a GST reduction, the other one is Bihar, but Bihar verdict is yet to be out. Globally, so globally, that time the Fed chairman said he will reduce the interest rate, but now globally, the trade tariff, US and China may sign agreement soon, and then I think today also President Trump has posted somewhere is looking forward for a great deal with India. So if that happens, that becomes a very big global news, will be affecting India directly. So Nifty rallied about 1,400 points in the month of October and more than 5%. Who knows, what happened in 2023 may repeat in 2025. It can rally another 5-6%. So having said all these things, there is a potential for market to go higher because, last year, September 30 is when Nifty broke 26,000 and then fell all the way to 21,750. Now the entire loss is recovered, and today, first time in calendar year 2025, Nifty crossed 26,000. So this is happening almost 1 year and 1 month. After 1 year, 1 month, Nifty is at the same level, which means that in the last 13 months, Nifty has given zero return. So the last 13 months, if the Nifty has given a zero return, the next 13 month, it has the potential to give a huge return. So these are the reasons why I'm bullish about the market. But having said all these things, I also look at the technicals. So technicals are also in favor of bulls. So, today I was just asking my friend, who makes more money, discretionary traders or, system traders? You can't be taking a non-directional trade all the time. So when the market rallies like this, 1,500 point or 3,000 point in a matter of 2 months, so you will be in trouble. So that's why it's very important to know the trend also. So, earlier, a few years before, when I used to conduct the workshops, I teach only the non-directional strategies, but now I give more importance to the directional strategies also. So anyway, seats are filling very fast for my next workshop, which is on 8th and 9th of November in Bengaluru. So if you're interested, you just can look at the description for the contact numbers of our office. So contact our office and register yourself. So, since most of the time I'll be in Dubai, I may not be conducting many workshops. Even in fact, for this Bengaluru workshop also, I'm flying directly from Dubai to Bengaluru and returning to Dubai. So hope my workshop participants do well, with the technical analysis which is being taught in the workshop. So everything is looking bullish. Now the market will gain more traction only when all-time high is crossed. So now the first hurdle 26,000 crossed. Second hurdle, the swing high 26,103. Who knows, if everything goes well, tomorrow it may cross. And then the final hurdle is 26,277, which is the all-time high. So if that is taken out, the market will gain more traction on the bull side. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.